This is a revision of Gunitakshara, Talekattina Ili, Gudisu and Gudisina Dirgha. This is lesson 1, Gunitakshara lesson 1 in the Savi Kannada grade 1 part 2 textbook. This is page number 7. So just let us revise all the 3 Gunitaksharas that we have seen so far. So these are words which have Gunitaksharas till Gudisina Dirgha. Till Gudisina Dirgha, all the words are available here. So the first Ratha, Ratha. This is just an example of Talekattu. You see here, there are no other Gunitaksharas. There is only the Gunitakshara of A added. So it is Ratha. Then Nai. Nai means dog. So this has A. That is Talekattina Ili and E. Gudisu. So these two Gunitaksharas are there and the word is Nai. Means dog. Then let's move on to the next. This is Gili. 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 Parrot. This is Gudisu. Example of Gudisu. Then this is Deepa. Deepa means lamp. See, this is the example of Gudisina Dirgha. The is having Gudisina Dirgha. So these are a few words which have examples of Gudisina Dirgha. And then we have anyway looked at page number 8 when we were doing each Gunitakshara. Now this is again a consolidation of all the 3 Gunitaksharas that we have seen so far. So this is page 8 and it says Neediruva padagalannu spashtavagi uchcharisalu heli. Means given words, please pronounce them correctly. So this word is Nari. Nari. Nari means fox. Gili. Gili. Parrot. Ili. Ili. Ili means rat. Kiwi. Kiwi means ear. Raja. Raja means king. Lari. It's a vehicle, lorry. Vani. Va and Ni. Vani. Vani means speech. Hara. Hara means garland. Nai means dog. Mithai. Mithai is a sweet dish. Any sweet dish that you eat, that is mithai. Then Kai. Kai means to wait. Hani. Hani means danger. Kali. Kali is a goddess. Then Yaga. Yaga. Yaga is a sacrifice. Ritual. It's a ritual and it's during that rituals you do a sacrifice. Then Biga. Biga is lock. Riti. Riti. Riti is type. Leela. Leela is a name. Veera. Hero. Veera means hero. Shita. Shita means cold. Now these are more words. ನೀಡಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ಉಚ್ಚರಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಲು ಹೇಳಿ. So the given words you have to pronounce them clearly as well as write them and practice. That's why the space given here for writing practice. So this word is Bai. Bai means mouth. Bili. Bili. Bili is white. Giri. Giri. Hill or a mountain. Lali. It's a lullaby. Leela, a name. Vani, it is speech. Vinaya, Vinaya, to be very polite. Veena, it's a musical instrument. Shaka, heat. Shiva, Shiva is Lord Shiva. Sisa, Sisa is lead. Sala, Sala means alone. Then Sihi. Sihi means the taste sweet. It's one of the tastes which is sweet. Sihi means sweet. Sita. Sita is a name. Hadi. Hadi means way. Hima. Snow. Bira. Bira is hero. Hali. Hali is to scold. Bili. Bili is white. Bidi. Bidi is a street. And now that all these are all these are on page 9. Now these are a few simple sentences. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಓದಿಸಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. So you have to read these sentences and in the given space write them also. ಸಾವಿರ ಹಾಡಿನ ಸರದಾರ. ಸಾವಿರ ಹಾಡಿನ ಸರದಾರ. So ಸಾವಿರ means 1000, ಹಾಡು means songs. Saradara is a master or an efficient person who can sing so many songs. ಕಿಟಕಿಯ ಬಳಿ ಚಿಮಣಿ ದೀಪ. ಕಿಟಕಿಯ ಬಳಿ ಚಿಮಣಿ ದೀಪ. Kitaki is window, bali means near. Chimani is kerosene and deepa is lamp. So a kerosene lamp near the window. That is the meaning of that sentence. Then the next sentence. Sitala Tangi Nita. Tangi means younger sister. Sita's younger sister Nita. Nita Pipi Ta. Nita is a name. Ta means give. Pipi is a musical instrument. So give me the musical instrument Nita. That is the meaning of this sentence. So this is the revision of all the Gunita Aksharas till Gudisina Dirgha. Now let us continue with the next Gudisu in the next video.